How to see who viewed your Instagram videos. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you have to open Instagram app on your mobile. Now if your video is posted on your story, then you can click on your story and know who viewed your story. But if you want to view who viewed your story but as a post, then you have to go on the profile option and then you have to go on the reels option. As you go on the videos option or reels option, now over here I will be able to see that my video is over here and who viewed my videos. Now I will not be able to see the person who viewed my videos, but I will be able to see the accounts or see the number of account who viewed my stories, but I will be able to see who liked my videos. Now if I want to see who liked my videos, then I have to go and search, and I can just look at here who liked my videos, and these account will be appeared to me. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.